Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to act now. Flip the shorts inside out and expose the casing so you can see the tunnel. Attach a safety pin to one end of the string or use a spare cord. This becomes your stiff guide. Once done, press the fabric flat and push the pin into the opening a short distance so it catches the edge. You'll start feeding from the visible opening. Make sure the pin is secure so it won't slip back into the casing. Now you push and inch the pinned end through the tunnel while keeping tension. Scrunch the fabric up to move the pin forward, then smooth it out to hold progress. Rotate the shorts so gravity helps around tight curves and use tiny, controlled pushes instead of force. If the pin stalls at a seam, back it out, reorient the pin tip, and re-enter. This changes the path and frees the obstruction. Keep one hand pinching fabric near the entry to prevent the guide from slipping backward. When the cord emerges, pull it until both ends are even, then knot each tip or melt synthetic ends slightly to stop fray. Stitch near the knot if you need permanence. Test by cinching the waistband several times to confirm smooth movement. Adjust knots for length. If the guide never reaches the opening, consider a controlled seam opening at a non-visible spot to retrieve or thread the cord, or swap to a longer stiff wire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.